The Fibonacci speed resistance fan is a tool that helps identify possible trend trajectories. It can also give us a general idea of how a trend can behave. As the name suggests, it can approximate areas of resistance to the speed of market movements. Since the fan incorporates the x-axis of time in order to project diagonal lines, it is possible for the partial element of time analysis. In the following series, we will explore the application of Fibonacci speed resistance fans on real chart examples in order to better understand how to use this tool and become familiar with its strengths and limitations. The chart examples will cover a wide range of charts from various markets and time ranges. No matter when you watch this or which charts you choose to use Fibonacci speed resistance fans on, the general knowledge from this series of examples can be of use to you.